Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this outfit for free, no VIP needed, on Dress to Impress. Even no custom makeup. I just did some adjustments on the hair and then the rest is free. So if you're a beginner on Dress to Impress, well, sort of, because I did use accessory adjustments on the hair, but you can get that for free anyways by playing 30 rounds. It is a little bit crucial if you want to upgrade your look so it doesn't look like you're a new model. My tips are obviously adding material to your outfits, and y'all need to stop using that fur combo with the wings, okay? That needs to stop. So here are my tips for you if you're new to Dress to Impress or if you don't have VIP or custom makeup. I'm like not using custom makeup or VIP at all on this look. So let's get started with the video. I'm removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is just the hair. So for the hair, I use this hair in this color here, this one. Position the Y at 0.47, Z 0.45, rotated everything to 0.51 and scaled it to 0.44. Grab this hair in the same color, position the Y at 0.55, Z 0.57, and scaled it to 0.53. For the headband, I just use this one here in the color white. You can choose any color that you want to in the first toggle. Rotate the X to 0.49 and scale it to 0.38. Now for the outfit, you are going to want to mix and match a lot of outfits. This is the new stuff here, and you know, just avoid using this one like all the time. I don't know, like y'all would like wear this and like would pair it with a skirt that like doesn't match with this. Like, hello, please stop doing that. Like, I'm begging you to stop. So I'm just going to use this bodice here, and I'm just going to color it this dusty pink, this white color, and then this dusty pink again in silk. Make sure you change your materials. You don't have to do it all the time, but it does give like a different sheen to it. So I would suggest you doing that. And then for the skirt, I'm just going to use this. This is a currency item, but you can use still like a lot of the skirts that are for free, like from the World Cultures one. So also make sure like you use a lot of these items like from codes. There are a bunch of good ones that you can use, and then from these as well if you have them. I think you'll get the most out of this one because you did get everything here for free. So make sure you utilize that one. Then I'm just going to use these shoes in this color. I think I'll do light silk. Yeah, I'll do light silk and then toggle on the with socks. Color white and that dusty pink. Then I'm just going to add in some gloves with no fur. Grab the ice cream here as well. Change the color of the cone. And that's pretty much it really. A lot of the items are actually outside of VIP, so it's not super necessary to get VIP. But yeah, that's pretty much it if you're like a new model and you want to look like you played this game for a long time. Oh, also, tip for the makeup is to get the ones that are new. If you like select these, I mean, that's your personal choice, but it does look like you're a new model. I'm not a big fan of the older ones as well, like this one maybe. I see a lot of the ones without noses. So yeah, make sure you use the newer ones here. Even this one's super cute. Even this one's actually really cute for you to use. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Also, before y'all come at me, you can dress however you want. These are just the tips if you want to. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.